still on sea. It will be about 48 hours before we get to Puerto Rico from Bahamas. It's a little bit more windy, but inside the ship you don't feel it. It just stays the same. We've just come off our MSC Seashore at Puerto Rico. First time in Puerto Rico. There is that ship is a Holland America ship. That's obviously our seashore, and there's Oasis of the Seas here. This is the US courthouse and the post office. We decided not to take an official tour with everybody, and we're walking around Puerto Rico by ourselves because we were docking quite late. So we thought we'll just walk around, see a few things, and then walk back. San Juan's got pretty old-style colonial-type buildings, very colourful, and they've got their Christmas tree out already. It's Parco de las Palomas, and it's got great views of the ships and the city. The umbrella street seems to have different kind of umbrellas, and it's all blocked up as well because people are doing protest for energy crisis. This is the fort area of Puerto Rico, and this was the way to go out to Fortaleza and other things next to the sea, but there's construction going on, so we can't do any of that. Most of the things that we wanted to see, we've managed to see within the first 15 minutes of walking. I'm not sure what the tours would have shown us, but we didn't want to do that, so we're just going to walk up and see other things. Looks like another church there. This one isn't just a church, it looks like a cathedral. Very beautiful inside. Folks, we had a couple of 3 hours in San Juan. We're going back onto our ship, and San Juan feels like a very distant poor cousin of America. Doesn't feel very much like America, even though they have tried to put lots of nice shops and all of that. When you come in, you have to have a photo ID of your country plus the cruise card. So if you like the travel review videos, please click like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next.